Habanero pepper is a hot variety of chili. When unripe, habaneros are green, and their color when they are mature. The common color of this chili is orange and red, but when the fruit, it may be white, brown or yellow, green too.
Oh,
What?
We get the
oh
Grass?
yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't do
grasshopper.
anything to these.
Don't do anything, huh? Don't do anything, huh? I wish that's the apple. Apple. Every morning you can wake up, you eat. Every morning you eat one apple.
Habanero typically arrive around from 2 to 6 centimeters long. Habanero chilies are very hot. It's from 100,000 to 350,000 on the Scoville scale. Habanero heat, flavor, and floral aroma.
Phun ha.
It makes popular ingredients like hot sauces and other spicy food. What is habanero good for? Habaneros contain potent antioxidants that may decrease the risk of cancer by inhibiting the DNA damage effects of free radicals. Capsaicin also acts as anti-inflammatory agent and can help treat symptoms of arthritis or headache. The rich antioxidant and phenolic compounds explain the benefit of habanero pepper. Is a member of Capsaicin family, has many benefits. Habanero pepper may reduce the risk of cancer, promote weight loss, lower cholesterol levels, and protect against cardiovascular disease. See a lot of chili, the frozen, dry sauces, dehydration, so it's all kind of habaneros.
In the bag. Frozen. Whole chili. Dry chili. Chili sauce. Frozen. All kind of chili. Frozen. Which one you like? You like this? What's the name of this?
Habanero.
Habanero. So how long you will stay this? How long you will stay? 1 year?
Years.
Years?
Years.
How many minutes to drive? 4 hours?
I don't know.
So why don't you do similar like this? Maybe better? Make a sauce.
Yes.
So rainy.
That's what I'm
Stop.
doing these.
One kind chili.